Are you looking to grow your business, but don't know where to start? Today, I'm going to share 10 powerful tips to take your business to the next level. Whether you're just starting out or already running, these strategies will help you scale faster. Let's dive in. First, know your target audience. You can't sell to everyone, and that's okay. The more specific you get about your ideal customer, the better your marketing. Understand their pain points and what motivates them to purchase. In today's world, if you're not online, you basically don't exist. Focus on creating a strong online presence through your website and social media. Make sure your website is user-friendly and optimized for search engines. Social media is a game changer for businesses. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok offer direct access to millions of potential customers. Create engaging content and use ads to reach a wider audience. And don't forget to interact with your followers. Customer service can make or break your business. Happy customers become loyal customers and bring in referrals. Go the extra mile, respond quickly to inquiries, and add a personal touch. Email marketing is still one of the most effective tools for business growth. Build your email list and send valuable content to keep your audience engaged. Use tools like segmentation and A/B testing to optimize your emails. Working with influencers can open your business to a new audience. Look for influencers who align with your brand and get creative with collaborations. Paid ads give you the ability to reach a much larger audience quickly. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads let you target specific demographics. No amount of marketing can compensate for a subpar product. Focus on delivering high-quality products or services and always look to innovate. Networking is more important than ever. Build relationships with other entrepreneurs, potential customers, and even competitors. The more people you know, the more opportunities will come your way. Stay adaptable. Markets change, trends shift, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Keep an eye on industry trends and be ready to pivot your strategy. And there you have it, 10 tips to grow your business. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what strategies you're using to grow your business. Until next time, keep pushing forward and stay entrepreneurial.